Technical problems have clear fixes. Just apply the right expertise and follow the proven steps. But many problems aren't technical. They are adaptive. No manual, no quick fix, because the work is people, patterns, multiple perspectives, and increasing complexity. Perhaps ask yourself, is the aim to get things back to how they were before the problem? Or must beliefs, relationships, and norms shift? Is the solution clear, or is it emergent? Great leadership means knowing the difference and guiding people through adaptive work so your culture can learn and transform. What issues are you technically fixing, often again and again, that are really inviting you and your team to learn, reframe, and evolve?